Hello, I'm Dr. Neil Coppell with Health. I would like to discuss peripheral neuropathy and the effects it has on the nerves in the hands and feet. Let me explain with this chart. This is a normal functioning nerve with healthy blood vessels. The nerve ending is alive and thriving. The outer coating, which acts as an insulator for the nerve, is also free of any problems. Why does it look healthy? Well, there is an adequate supply of blood providing the nerve with the necessary nutrients and oxygen, creating an optimal environment so the nerve can do what it was designed to do. Once we start losing that blood supply, the nerve begins to break down. As you can see in this picture, the nerve is shrinking and the thickness or the diameter is also altered. At this point, not only is the nerve breaking down, but the communication from the nerve to the brain has also been affected. The patient who is suffering with this condition begins to feel the peripheral neuropathy symptoms. In this final picture, we see the nerve completely broken down. There is no way that it can normally communicate with the brain. This is bad, and unless properly treated, it will only get worse, leading to severe problems. Once that blood supply is gone, nerve tissue dies. This is serious and could lead to amputation. Peripheral neuropathy is a progressive degenerative condition, which means the nerves will continuously break down and will not get better on its own. If you know someone suffering with this condition, please share this video with them. For more information, check us out at chiroacuhealth.com or call or text us directly at 239-214-0214. Have a great day.